Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, experience the spiritual formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If a religion teaches animals and plants are not significant in considering their rights, reject it. Quit categories of sin rather than just condemn that of it considered the worst. If you don't, use your intelligence, your afterlife will be in the lowest class. Yoga was a means of controlling lifespan and journey to other worlds. Focus not on seeing God as much as being whom you would want to be seen by God. A goal of preaching movements should be that all rulers see divinity in all and all in divinity, which leaves them with the compassion to reduce suffering of any. Plead by and use your position of authority and your expertise. There is importance in being discreet in victory, loss, and being punished. And by loss, I mean mistakes as well. Knowledge, training, and sacrifice is needed to become qualified to see the spiritual beings. Punishment by governments shouldn't be secret and dehumanizing, but instructive and exemplary. Without the proper rituals of the stages of life, there is no priestly society. Renunciation is that you separate from what is not religious. There is no such thing as life extension. There is not the stopping of thoughts and desires. But the true civilization uses them in a directed way. Different realms and civilizations have different conceptions and different experiences of time. Any name of God is a means to liberation. We don't understand the essence of God, but the qualities. Judgment Day is different for devotees than it is for sinners. The reading of one verse, or learning one verse of Scripture, may lead to success in life. We get credit for the practices and teachings of God consciousness that we encourage or set the stage for, however you're going to phrase it. You know, like making group opportunities possible and that sort of thing. Shava helo kannam seva pantha sanatana yam purve chanu santastur yat pramanam janardana. The Vedas are certainly, for all people, auspicious for the path of the eternal, which in the past was rigidly followed, in which the evidence of Janardana was seen. And the comment says the well-wisher of all living entities. Oh, maybe that's the translation or the content. Yeah, okay. Now they use 8,400,000 to represent the types of life forms, and God is the originator of all. And this name, Janardana, is as a name for God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.